Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace a tire in case if you got a flat. Let's assume that this right rear tire is flat. In this case we'll have to go and block the front left with wheel blocks. This will prevent the car from moving once we start to lift the rear of the vehicle. The spare tire is normally located in the trunk. The jack should be located in the spare tire compartment, and you can see it right here. Okay, let's remove the spare tire. To take it out, you'll have to unscrew this plastic holder. Before you install it, it's a good idea to check the tire pressure. For the spare tire, it should be around 60 psi. Now it's 56.5. Ideally, you should be parked somewhere where there is flat and even surface. And this way you will minimize the chance of the car tipping over. Before the wheel is completely off the ground, you will need to partially unscrew the lug nuts. Now we can completely unscrew lug nuts. As you can see, we also are using the key for one of the lug nuts. It should come with the vehicle. So you have to do it by hand and make sure there is proper placement for every nut. While tire is still in air, you have to tighten by hand all 5 screws. Don't put too much pressure for now. You will complete this process when tire touch the ground. So do not use your foot, use your hand only and weight of your body.
it's completely enough to wait until you got correct service.
The flat tire will go back into the trunk. This is a full-size tire, so it's a little bit bigger. It takes a little bit more space than the spare, but it still fits here, and you can still put the cover on. It's just it's slightly loose right now. Don't forget to remove wheel blocks in the end. This tire has a speed limitations of 80 km per hour, so make sure you don't drive faster than that, and you have to replace this spare to a regular one as soon as you can.